say you can decide to stay or to go. Na mama church asemu. Ensem bi wo ho ma papa we kan ya me ebu a me wo ma papa we atwepo na double. Yes. First of all, wa kire se oye nipa. Enti El Bernard say, I have proved. Mba ne nyame ka kire me na me kan ye. My weaver, my control. Nyame say Jonah Nineveh, go and preach Odwane. But El Bernard didn't run away from the message. He stood on his ground when all seemed lost. Or say Mecca. Xposed GH. The name is Xposed. Baby, I will be bidding check and see them. I'm back on subscribe. About the man as well. No, select all. No, you the 2 man now inside and you can be fair. Income share, triple income share. MPP, your flag bearership way now. I saw for the because your double income share or koye one about me and one sackway on one more sackway can be winning. It's a winning and we're pulling up, make our first, make our say. That is how it is. But one man, El Bernard Eshon, he stood on his ground. No see Kennedy, but it could be one far. I don't know say anything or as a genuine man of God or apologize for it.
I first needed to understand that I am not the type of pastor who needs encouragement, because I am already an encouragement. And I need you, as a member of this family, to hold me up to integrity and hold me up to whatever I say the Lord said. I need you to hold me up to that realm of accountability. For now, I have submitted to the writings in this book, and I've released 2 statements. One is the statement of a minute. One is the public statement, an apology. Number 2 is the statement of accountability. I have released this statement for now, and I need you to look at the words I'm using. I've released these 2 statements for now. And because I hold myself accountable, everything I wanted to tell you is in that statement. I can't determine and influence how you respond and how you react. But I just want you to understand that I am still here. I am not going to ask you to stay here. Neither am I asking you.
I know Kikano. I say a reason na you want it there. Or not there, or just a channel. Or just a channel. And now cancel we and say, on to me, just as some no I can send you an assault for no umbeji and a sorry for the too. Or say you can decide to stay or to go. Na mama church asemu ensem bi wo ho ma papa we kan ya me ebu a me wo ma papa we atwepo na double. Yes. First of all, wa kire se oye nipa nyame na soma no channel Bible no kwa kuma. There were so many times prophecy ni bi ba ya ye decode ni yie enti we here na akwa bibia wo. Number 2, opa che se wonu enyo no friend hu nyame na friend no enti se nyame aka asama kire no na amemu a Bible no so say nyame asem bi obeka bia it will come to pass na amemu you can decide to stay in the church or to go. I didn't make us say I'm the one. Yes, most of us practically go to church for prophecy. Obi timi what na fie sa o say ha na de so for penny ba so nti ma me nko. Na ya bisa mo say, are we going to meet Yehoshua? And I say, are we going to meet man? My body, sorry, mo fa jame edina no mabon munim di no mabo. Enti sabinet ya ene Christopher eko asori asebe omukọ asori they don't even know the purpose of them going to church. Obi kwa asori for socialization. Otifia wa board. Okwa asori onim sa asori for the kwa se so mo pon omko rensa. Wo mo rensa fokin. Obi kwa asori na ataye bi wa pam brand new bi or the cornerja wa ko show off bi no bi ehun se ono so ide. Obi kwa asori because of say or just for say no o ye Christiani and for feel so good. These are the things that people go to church. But the real reason we should go to church is for salvation. Enti El Bernard say, I have moved. Mbani nyame ka kire me na me ka ye. My weaver, my control, nyame say, Jonah, Nineveh, go and preach, Odwane. But El Bernard didn't run away from the message. He stood on his ground. When all seemed lost, or say Mecca. Now them say your friend is saying, Nyankopon, what you say na dwene time. That is why he's God. People don't understand it. Okay, Jonah say Nineveh. Na no onu amko kasa. Say mabe say kuro no. Okoya Nineveh hene no, omo nyina share sackcloth. Ene your friend is saying enso omni gu omo sugu nyame so no. Nyame anse kuro biem. E ma Jonah kura bofu say enyo na aso kwakwa say kuro no. Me ko ka chama den wan say kuro no biem. Enti ba cho ye be ka kire e ho say Jonah so asem no kan no was asem no kan na atro na enya atro. But nyame na yesom no oyobi a otimisi sana adwen or explaining ho nkire obi. He is God. He is God. Yahuwah. Eno na mabodi no that's wasabo. He is God. Iti sa nyame we no oyobi a you can't define him, you can't dissect him, you can't decode him. You don't even know who he is. Enti oka asem ni bi wo ho no ma o se maka asem no eba be ye adwuma but as to when ebe ye adwuma there you don't know. Enti ene se sofo we na abemu a me why people are calling for his head. He is a strong man of God. Unlike some people like and then they try to justify why they said it. This man did not justify it. He said, I have spoken the mind of God, but I didn't come to pass. Simple. No, I know El Bernard is Sean. He's a true man of God. Let's go and listen to him.
Bernard, El Bernard, we are with you in prayer. We will correct you in love and restore you in love. You have erred. You have made a mistake because you are mortal. This tells you you are a man. You are limited like everybody. See ya. When Yamema will be who be not dum not toes to do that. To Mira Shrankan.
There are some people that you can vouch for. Obi ohonema ye ka chen so wako wiade nyo no because of pema some so and yes ewiase obi anim this man prophet Kofi Odogwa no obeka say this is a true man of God. Almost all the other pastors are saying say El Bernard Eshon is a true man of God, and we can attest to his prophecy say he is from God. When adia Bible ni kan say o say manipa enti wo adanse na ma esoro ensu ndi wo adanse enti nipa edi ne ho adanse na ye di El Bernard one adanse no say Nyankopon so edi ne ho adanse na story no me say another story why he even said what he said. Now be shocked what is going to happen in Ghana. By way of first video enti wo subscribe ya subscribe time kutu na me the explosion e be ne subscribe share me do tu wana sa ka be ma no asi